Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Nissan Maxima key fob. First, you will need to identify the correct battery, which is typically a CR2032. Gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, ensuring you can see all the small components clearly and avoid losing anything important. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components during this step. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently remove the old battery from its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards into the compartment. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are fully closed. Now, test your key fob with your vehicle to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.